Thank you guys for getting me to 18,000 subscribers in 6 days. That's an amazing, amazing feat. And I think the video that's got all these subscribers coming is the Grateful for the Small Things video. So, I'm going to try and do more videos like that, which I did do, but they didn't hit as much as that one did. And I just hope people who subscribe because of that video will find enjoyment in some of my other videos as well. I have been trying my best to stay positive, and really I am grateful for everything I have. And I'm just trying to stay positive, keep a positive attitude, give you guys the best parts of my thoughts rather than coming in here with negative stuff. The video I did yesterday, I believe, about the children and stuff, that wasn't so much negative as it was sad. It's just every time I would turn on the TV, they were talking about some missing kid, some child that you know, the parents did this, the parents did that, and it just made me think, what are these people doing? Why are they having children? If you don't want to take care of the child, why are you having children? Anyway, I don't want to get into that because it's all about positivity, positivity, positivity. It's just that right there had me go, whoa, I got to address this. It's in my head. I got to get it out. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys, and I hope that you are subscribe. If you've subscribed, I want you to hit the all button. Hit all. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a video, not just a particular video. Because sometimes you'd be surprised at some of the things you enjoy that you didn't think you would. And so just make sure you hit the all button. And then tonight we're going to be going live tonight. And I wanted to talk about, well, I'm not going to even tell you what we're going to talk about. We'll do a Q&A, so you can ask me questions, or we can just chit chat, which we normally do, and we have a great time. But I just wanted to tell you guys about the 30 days videos, and I have been doing videos every day this month, and I'm trying to see first of all, I'm trying to see what videos really catch you guys' attention. And I found that one actually caught your attention, being grateful for the small things, because it touched your heart. It really made you think, I should be grateful for the small things, because, you know, if we're not grateful for the small things, we may not get the big things, you know. So that's one thing to be happy about. And then let me tell you, my friend, she bought a Powerball ticket Monday. She bought 2 tickets. We pinky swore that if either one, and she gave me one, she took one, and we pinky swear that if my numbers were good, she get half. If her numbers were good, I got half. So yesterday, because the reward on those tickets are 815 million, and so nobody has won that yet. So I bought a ticket yesterday for Wednesday's drawing, and did the same thing with her. If she won, she picked a ticket. If she won, I get half. If I win, she gets half, and we did that. So that was our little being grateful and being good friends, where we did something like that, but we didn't win nothing. We both got the number 9 on one of the tickets, so if we had got another number and the Powerball, then we would have won something. But we didn't win anything, but we had fun doing it, because I never really play that lottery. But that was fun. It was a good bonding moment and a good trust moment. So that was great. And the 30 videos in 30 days, I can't believe I have done 30 videos in 30 days. You guys know I have been working really hard. Really, really hard, coming up with videos every day that I feel like may inspire you, may give you some information. And so these are videos that I've been creating in my mind to come up with for you guys. So it's not easy. Trust me, it's not easy. People think it's easy just to get up here and start talking about something, but you have to have something to talk about that people want to hear, and you have to have it in a niche type thing where it's something that fits your channel. So Life with Charlene, it's a lot about, you know, my life experiences, and it's a lot about just sharing the good parts of life. And so that's what I've been trying to do for the past 30 days. We started off with exercise, trying to get you guys motivated for exercise. We've talked about a lot of things, you know, signs of diabetes, making sure you go to your doctor, positive, grateful, being happy on the great days, and just a lot of good positive things I have gone through in the past couple of weeks on this channel. But when my last video for 30 days is up, I'm going to take a couple of days off, and you guys are not going to see me for a couple of days, not no new videos. So then guess what? You got to go watch my old videos or look back and see some of the videos that you've missed. And let me tell you something. I mean, some of the subscribers that are coming in here, you guys are awesome. I just got to tell you, you guys are awesome. I've got one subscriber, and she told me she was starting from my beginning and catching up to today. I'm like, she's got a lot of videos to go through, because I got over 500 videos on this channel. So if you guys want to go back and look at some of the videos from my beginning, you'll see there's a big change, you know, because in the beginning I was I didn't know a lot about what I was doing. I wasn't comfortable on screen. I wasn't comfortable just kind of being who I am. And so, you know, I was dressing up a lot of makeup or whatever. But now I just, you see, come on here any kind of way, which I probably shouldn't, but I do. And because you guys hopefully are listening to what I say, not trying to see what I look like. But I've really been having a good time, and just watching this channel grow the way it has grown. I am just like, I'm in heaven. It's like, wow, you guys, you just inspire me to be creative. And I'm going to do the best I can to keep you entertained. And oh yeah, and I did some skits. I forgot about those. They didn't go so well either. So anyway, but I'm going to just keep going, and you guys just keep coming and watching and subscribing and liking and commenting and sharing the videos. And a lot of you guys are bringing friends over to the over to the channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And the community that is growing on here on this channel is awesome. So I will see you guys later on tonight at 7 o'clock. So be there or be square. All right, you guys, I love you. See you soon. Mwah.